Hi, I'm Faiz, product expert at Hubsingstar. With the laws restricting us the use of mobile devices while we are driving, the Mercedes-Benz voice commands is the safest way for us to use the vehicles as well as the device functions while we are staying focused on the road. To begin, press the voice command button on your steering wheel and wait for the voice command tone. A menu will pop up onto your infotainment screen. Next, say a command. The voice command pop-up menu will give you an examples of commands that you can use. Some will include call home. Voice command can also be used to control some features in your Mercedes-Benz car, like setting the aircon temperature. To use your smartphone's voice assistants like Siri, make sure that your phone is connected to the vehicle's Bluetooth. Then, press and hold the voice command button on your steering wheel for 2 seconds. After that, you'll be connected to your phone's assistant. If you need any help using the voice command system, simply press on the voice command button and say, "Help." The voice command assistant will guide you through a list of options and features. To cancel the voice command, simply press the home button on your steering wheel. With voice command, you'll safely get the most out of your Mercedes-Benz car.